What's going on? I just wanted to give a little, let people know a little something about the whip. I'm waiting on the dry shaft to get done. I had to get the U joints done and whatever the fuck that shit is. You know, I ain't all good with what everything is called, but they had to change it out. So, in other words, that shit'll be done tomorrow. I'm waiting on the PCM to come. What else? I got the headers. I got some little. That's what I'm saying. I'm building this car like all the way. Like we ain't doing no muffler shops. We not doing nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? We gonna go straight to the point. And what I mean by straight to the point is we doing everything ourselves. And I mean down onto the exhaust system, to the wiring, to everything. You know what I mean? I wanted to have the car actually moving by Christmas, but it don't look like that shit gonna happen based on they not giving me fucking parts. And gotta wait, so can't get mad, you know what I'm saying? The only thing I can kinda do right now is wait, get the shit, and then go hard, you know what I'm saying? Next few little days before New Year's, go hard, you know what I'm saying? Go as hard as I can go. Cause the car is like damn near done, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, shit. So, the car is like almost done. So, like, why get back? Next thing I'm gonna do is that Z28. I'm thinking about doing that motherfucker with some, we ain't talking about that. We talking about what I need to be doing right now to the G body. So my next little moves is once I put the dry shaft in, I'm finna lift it up some, change out the coil springs, put new brake. I'm finna put new what do you call that shit? Ball joints. So I'm changing out the ball joints, upper and lower, painting all that shit nice, good black. What else? And we're going to the storage unit. Then I gotta go pick my daughter up from school. But what I was saying, they doing it. They doing that. What else? Damn, I forgot, man. That shit just taking a lot out of me. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Fucking doing this car is kind of like financially, it's like alright, but at the end of the day, cause I ain't going to no shops. I already said that. I ain't got the EFI Holly system. We're not doing none of that shit. We keeping that motherfucker basic. You know what I'm saying? Then after later on in time, baby, I'll fuck around and put a cam in there and do all the high performance shit and all that. But until then, right now, we just trying to roll. You feel me? Old school rolling with some new school heat up under the hood. And make sure the G body stay outside. You feel me? The old school at least, the 87 from outside. You feel me? Beating, lifting. You know what I'm saying? That's the main thing. To doing it by yourself is something that my kids can at least say, hey, my daddy did that. You know what I'm saying? Even my friends, who my real friends is, can say I built that shit. Like, damn, he really did do that. You know what I mean? Which it don't take a lot to do. It just take time. You know what I'm saying? 2 hours every day to go work on your car. Or get your car done as fast as fuck. Versus you taking it to manual shop, then taking it to John's shop. Fuck all that. It's better you just do it yourself. Easy. A lot of people say they can't do it, which I used to say I can't do it until I seen that day when my car at my fake ass homeboy house. That's a whole nother story. I can show y'all clips of how I had to tow where I was over there where them rocks at, first fucking with the car. I had to tow my shit up out of here, you feel me? Based on the nigga thinking otherwise, you know what I'm saying? But instead he wanted that old ass 350 wherever that old ass motor was in the cutty, you feel me? That nigga thought he Next. What else I'm on? So, they said that the exhaust unit Tuesday. Dry shaft done tomorrow. Then that shit, after that, the back of the car done. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got to stress back of the whip done. All that shit is like, yeah. This story pulling up to this motherfucker. Let's see how naked it is. So I'm gonna put that shit up here. Wait, we ain't paying for this motherfucker no more. Grab some shit. Look how empty this motherfucker is, y'all. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. So, good part is, a few days that shit'll be ready. Bad part is, I'm still gonna have to do a little bit more like tinkering with it. I already feel I want to change the oil pump inside the motor, but it seems like I'm not gonna be able to do that based on I don't feel like touching this dirty ass clothes, but hold on, y'all, give me a minute. Hold on. Yeah, so once I put all this little shit on there, that motherfucker gonna be ready to go. Fire up. Paint the covers to the top of the motor. Just small cosmetic shit. Oils and everything else I got. Coolant, oil, transmission fluid. Shit. Got everything I need, man. This is motherfucking built, not bought. You feel me? I'm building this shit on my own. Y'all know who I am, boy. Cole's finest, you feel me? Cove know me. So I'm letting the world know me now. I decided to do YouTube to show y'all how you got LS Guru and all them dudes, man. Man, it's $20,000, man. 20 grand to build a car, man. 20 grand. Like $20,000 to build a fucking car, bro. It's very much too much. What about me spending just a few dollars, under a few thousand, I'll say, to do this? And it's gonna work. The shit was working in the truck, so why the shit won't work in the car? Niggas don't think about that. 20 grand, man. 20 grand to build that motherfucker for you. Guys, I'm like, damn, bro. Ain't you my homie and shit? Yeah, I'm your homie, but it's 20,000. Then you got real bros that'll be like, you know, do that shit for a few dollars, man. And then you got me. That's like, hey, let me go on and take my chances, man, and see if I can do this shit on my own, man. It don't take a rocket scientist to just put a few things together. It just take them to put the shit together the correct way. So I have to keep going in circles and doing it. Which, that's what I think I'm doing. And on top of that, I'm telling y'all, it didn't really be, it's not that real expensive, you feel me? It's not like the rest of these dudes be making it sound, man. They really make it sound like it's like, it could be. You want the EFI and you want all that old high profile shit. Kind of, yeah, that shit's gonna be expensive, bro. It's not gonna be cheap doing it like that. But if you somewhat smart, you got a little bit of patience, you can do it on your own like I am. Oh yeah, one more thing. I was looking at this dude named Krusty. His name Krusty something. Krusty Customs. Left a comment on this page telling him like he did teach me a little. Besides my homeboy, my bro from out the neighbors, he taught me this type shit, man. Like, hey, don't worry about it. Just do this, do that. When there was a lot of my friends that it was like, nah, you can't do it, bro. You can't do it. You ain't gonna be able to do this shit. Till I really showed I could do this shit. Not only can I do it, but I can kind of do it wrong. All YouTube and all this shit is about learning, figuring out the do's and the don'ts, the how to and the how not to. I need to start smoking these motherfucking squares, bro. That's my next step. Cutting the squares out. Once y'all help me, then I'll cut them out. Because you know what I've been through. I've been through a lot. And alhamdulillah, you feel me? I'm gonna make it. Got a lot of good people on my side though, man. I know that, man. A lot of good folk. Look how humid it is, man. Unit is naked. From my car to everything, I mean, from all my shit did in here like that. This thing is naked right now. So, I seen the one dude put the AC compressor on the motor on a stock build. I'm just gonna take it and see if it fits. If it fit, like OJ. Fit, we on our shit. Now if these motherfuckers don't, all day. All day. But ain't shit if you don't try. So I'm trying. And I've been making my beautiful ass car just fuck. I gotta go wash it. For every nigga riding around in a G body or some with pressure, they got a Mopar, bro. You gotta have a Mopar. Mopar. Or that Chevy car. Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna come back for this. I don't even know if this motherfucker worked, man. Trying to see if this battery got some power. Hold on. Still gonna pick my baby up from school. Show y'all me doing all this fly shit. See, I need one of them YouTube people to help me. See, I wish I could shut y'all off like how they be doing this. And then we go to the next segment, but I can't do that shit. So I'll fuck around and be uploading and uploading and uploading. Well, it's time to go. For my black ass be late. And the Lord be like, boy, come get your daughter from this school. Or the next step, they be calling her mom while she at work. They be thinking something didn't happen to her, nigga. So, done for the day with that. They not getting another payment though, for sure. Y'all unit is well used. Damn, I forgot I had that battery. I needed that hot ass battery. Needed that. But yeah, for the folks that know me, and for the people who don't know me and would like to know me, this is my little YouTube channel. I got an 87 Cutlass. I'm LS swapping it alone. I got help from some people, I ain't gonna lie. Just, mind help and the pursuance to make sure that I continue to do what I need to do. So, in other words, I got help. Some good people help too. And once I start that car, that's what I'm gonna be. Shout out to Tracy. Shout out to. Nah, for real. I'm just joking. That was the name, like Easy. How easy it do it. I remember how easy he was. He was a cold cat. But for everybody who tuned in, subscribe to the channel, man. Please, man, so I can show you how this thing go. You know what I'm saying? Once I pick up the dry shot tomorrow, I'm gonna have y'all tuned in with me. Or at least what I'm gonna say is I record it. I like cars. I'm only on YouTube, just because I'm building a car. I'm not concerned about nothing else really. I may step up now and again to say certain shit, but I know I'm in my 40s and it's out of my league, man. It's out of my league. Damn, man, why y'all just didn't open the gate, man? I gotta jump all out and shit. Hold on, hold on. This is gonna be a whole hour. I'm gonna record and upload this. Just to let y'all see how we gotta do it, you feel me? On my way to pick my baby up from school now. So, the car is gonna be white and blue. White and blue. With that navy blue top. I'm trying to keep it all kind of like the same color, no nothing different. It's all the same. Not be this all matched in together, not all type of other different colors and shit. But it's crazy because when I was putting the motor in, I scratched up so much shit. And I wish I would have taken it, but that was something embarrassing. Everybody see me doing that shit. I struggled like a motherfucker. Struggle. Had to have a little bit of hand work with me. But me running to the jack and then running to the front of the hoist to straighten it out, do all that other shit with it, that shit was different. I mean, y'all know I'm holding this phone down based on the Lord. You can't be holding the phone. I don't got time for no police. But it was a struggle, boy, I tell you it was. But once I got it in there, joyfulest feeling I ever felt. It was so much of an enjoyment. I said, the motor in the caddy. The motor in the caddy. The caddy is almost there. And for fact, she is almost there. You know what I'm saying? Almost there, you know what I mean? It feel good because I did that shit. Something I didn't think I could do. And hopefully, I get some people that subscribe to my channel that just want to stay up on point on the build and see how I'm doing it without taking it to every shop in the universe and asking for help from every shop. I'm doing it on my own. You know, it feel good doing that shit like that. That shit just feel like I could do any fucking thing. I know one thing. Why my breath brakes on this. So I just changed the brakes. But you know how niggas stop so much. Non-driving motherfuckers out here drive slow, take all day to get somewhere. I'll be like, what the fuck is wrong with you? You should go get a fucking driver. You know what I mean? They typical stupid motherfuckers. But back to the car. I'm gonna get back to the whip. Really, I gotta pick my baby up. I ain't finna be saying her name and shit all on when I walk up to the front to pick her up. I ain't got time to be letting everybody know her name and shit. For the folks who really know me, you can know my name because it's on my Facebook. So I ain't hard to find. And I ain't trying to be that hard to find, and I ain't trying to do nothing wrong. I'm trying to be in the right lane. I'm in it to get this age. So I carry myself appropriately. I don't carry myself like a jackass. For some folks that probably back in their days know me, yeah, I was on my bullshit. Drinking a beer, smashing in the fast lane, not with no care. Saying to myself, if I fuck up, I can fix it tomorrow. Life ain't like that. You can't fix everything tomorrow. So I stopped living in that lane. Then my son died. Shit, I go. My mama died. Shit, I've been through the whole motions of this shit. So my mindset is very much different and set up different. My attitude and my gestures towards things is set up different. It's the time and the place for bullshit. Simple. You know what I'm saying? And if you a man, you gonna carry yourself ass-wise. A fucking man. You need to go home, fool. I don't know how a work van has a monster tent on it. This nigga van is so tinted up, yo, I will show you. Like, nigga, ain't you working, nigga? Not the... You look like you looking on a lick or something, nigga, because you can't even see in that motherfucker. He's a general detail. And I probably need his dog ass. Look at that. Let me get a shot out of my shit. Let him see how my shit, you feel me? He may see himself on my motherfucking YouTube. Let that dude give me a shot out, Holmes. Yeah. That murder 10 of that motherfucker. So, I'm at the school picking up my baby. Let's see how this goes. I just need to set something up. I do. If I was a truck driver, my shit would be, I wouldn't have no air in the seat. My shit would be, wow. This really fucking car. Oh yeah, there's too much going on. There's too much going on for me. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as I get her in the car. As soon as I get in her car, I'll pop y'all back on with me.